Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amrit Raj from IMU Kolkata campus. You guys are consistently asking the questions. I would like to appreciate you all that more than 99% of the comments are relevant. In this video, I am going to answer few of them that are very important, and all these information should be known to you all who are going to take admission in IMU. Many students are asking about the medical test during the admission in IMU. Let me confirm you that IMU is not going to provide any medical test for you. You will have to go to the doctor who is approved by DGCP, where you will have to go through blood test, urine test, X-ray, ultrasound, ECG, ear, nose and eye checkup, etc. To get the list of the approved doctors, please go to the description box. As you will click there, interface like this will open. When you will go below, you will find that various links are available there. But you have to go to point number 2. You can see there updated list of examiners of seafarers. As you will click there, PDF will be downloaded, in which name, email ID, contact number and address of approved doctors are given. You can see region wise it is distributed throughout the India. You should select one of them which is nearest to you. It will cost approx 3000 to 4000 rupees in entire medical process, which is paid by the candidate only. If you are going to the doctor whose name are not in this list, then the certificate issued by the doctors will be invalid during the time of the admission. So be careful. Please check the name if it is there in this list or not. Vijay Kambli is asking that, sir, can you please tell the name of the documents that are required during the counseling? See, this is very important question. If you forget any of the documents during the admission, then it will create a lots of trouble for you. So before going to the IMU campus for admission, please make sure that your all these papers are ready. IMU rank certificate, provisional allotment letter, fee receipt of counseling fee and program fee, demand draft of admission in the name of the respective campus, OBC NCL certificate in the prescribed format of IMU if applicable, residential certificate, caste certificate in case of SC and ST, income certificate, 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, SLC or TC, physical fitness certificate, affidavit demanded by different IMU campuses. Roshan Chettiar is asking, can you make videos regarding placement in Indian Maritime University Mumbai campus, BSc Nautical Science? If you will see placement records of last 2 batches, the batch from 2016 to 19, out of 156 cadets, almost 100 plus were placed. And in the batch from 2017 to 20, out of 149 cadets, almost 89 are placed. हनी सिंह इज आस्किंग दैट, अगर हमें आईएमयू कैंपस मिल जाता है लेकिन किसी कारणवश एडमिशन नहीं होता है तो क्या वो पैसे वापस होते हैं? ऑफ कोर्स, अगर आप कोर्स स्टार्ट किए बिना एडमिशन विदड्रॉ कर लेते हैं तो प्रोग्राम फी को छोड़कर आपकी सारी फी आपको रिफंड कर दिया जाता है. मैनी स्टूडेंट्स आर आस्किंग अबाउट मी. आई एम परसुइंग फाइनल ईयर बीटेक मेरीन इंजीनियरिंग फ्रॉम IMU Kolkata campus, and I have been placed in Chevron Corporation. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please keep on asking the questions. I will try my best to answer, and also subscribe this channel to watch more videos related to IMU.